Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how November 2020 will be for Pisces or Meena Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. They are retrograde Mars is in the first, Rahu in the third, Venus in the seventh, Sun and retrograde Mercury in the eighth, Ketu in ninth, Jupiter in 10th, and finally Saturn in the 11th position. So all in all, this month will be a better one than the previous months, and you have many planets which are positive, and your Rashi Lord, that is Jupiter, is going to transit to 11th house, which is going to be very auspicious for you, and he will be staying with the 11th Lord there, who's Saturn, and Saturn is also very favorable for you. So all in all, I would say this could be a fantastic month for you than the previous one. The second half may bring in some very good news. Your courage and your energy levels are going to be higher. One or two things, like you avoid arguments with your seniors at work. Health may be a little upset, that anyways will recover quickly, but overall speaking, yes, it's going to be a better month for you. Make the best out of it. Now, speaking of health, there could be headaches, there could be gastric troubles, cough or throat troubles. A little mental anxiety also may exist, but you should not be really worried about, because Rahu and Saturn will help you to recover quite well. So in terms of career or business, if I have to speak, working people should keep a cool head, have that patience. The second half is going to definitely bring in some very good news. So don't be hasty, because haste can cost you dearly and it may hinder your progress. Focus on the work at hand to avoid humiliation at work. Arguments with seniors may be counterproductive, so please avoid, be patient and experience those good results. For businessmen, they need to pay special attention to government dealings. Don't be hasty in making new partnerships. Due diligence is advised. The second half of the month may bring in some good opportunities which will help you grow in the long term. So overall, even for businessmen, it is going to be a very good month. Coming to students will have higher energy levels. One word of caution is, don't be overconfident. Patience and proper discipline will definitely yield very good results for you. Coming to gains, the second half of month can really bring in some good fortune in the form of better gains for whatever you have invested in the past, newer opportunities to invest now and then reap rich rewards later. Only thing is, if you are speculating, then don't be hasty about it, otherwise you may end up losing big time. New investments, if any, can be considered in the second half of this month. So overall, in terms of gains also, it's going to be a fantastic month for all the Pisceans. Coming to family matters, petty quarrels and arguments with your spouse could be there. Mars can make your head hot, so mind that. Spouse's health may also need extra attention, so please take care of that. Avoid arguments with elders, because that may really spoil the atmosphere at home. Have patience, things will get better on the family front. Father's health may need proper attention, so please take care of that. Children will behave properly, they'll bring in the smile. Maintain a calm approach towards all the family matters. That is going to really help you very well. Now coming to remedies, overall if I have to say, there are more positive results than negative ones, but still if you do certain remedies, that can help you in avoiding the haste and also in doing the due diligence and taking the right decisions at the right time. So the remedies are: pray to your Rashi Lord, that is Guru, visit a Guru's temple every Thursday and seek blessings. To pacify Mars, pray to Lord Narasimha and Kartikeya. If it is possible, then please visit the temples on Tuesday. If you want to donate articles relating to Mars, specifically red clothes, masoor dal, fennel seeds. You can donate them on Tuesdays. Pay respects to your gurus and your elders in the family. So take good care of them. That will definitely help you progress very well. So this is supposed to be a good month for you all. So do these remedies and then maintain that cool approach in the family segment. It's going to really help you. So please make the best out of this month. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.